Hey, it's Merritt with Apteros Trading. Let's review the S&P relative to our prep. So, we talked about a couple scenarios. Coming into the open, we're interacting with this bearish zone. We talked about the fact that it was a dissonant zone, bearish from the upper end. It's Friday, it's been a long week. Bearish from the upper end, bullish from the lower end. And that this was a plenty wide enough zone, even though sometimes a dissonant zone is tight and it becomes a no trade zone. This is a wider dissonant zone. So we talked about how there was opportunity if we had little probes to get short or little probes to get long. Now, this is a market where, let's put it this way. We talked about if we could hold above this level, we'd be cautiously bullish and target out there. Obviously bearish here, bullish here, we zip right through it. We talked about if we break below there, this would be substantial bearish opportunity. And where did we talk about? We talked about down here, right? These are kind of targets that people kind of dismiss or laugh at or whatever, but not today, right? Absolutely nailed it. You're either in from early, right off the open, if you're aggressive, or you waited for the dissonance to clear up, you waited for this zone, and you took, some of these pullback trades that were offered to get involved this market. Those of you trading the levels probably had an easier time during this sequence here. Those of you that are students probably were unable to get into these because of the intraday condition shift that occurred here, making it not that prudent to get involved. Now, we had opportunities. Flaggy pattern here, much more apparent on a volume-based chart and whatnot. Beautiful setup here to get involved. And we were on our Futures Friday call. Let's see, that's at 1:30 Eastern. Okay, so that was here. And by the time we were wrapping up that call, just into 2 o'clock. We were talking about how the sellers were really pressing, that they probably weren't done. Who knows if it gets absorbed or not, I believe were my final words there, but they were really starting to press. So this was a beautiful spot for students to get involved and finish out this move. Some people caught the whole thing. I kid you not, from high of day to low of day on a big, nice move. Beautiful, beautiful stuff here. NADRO framework giving us good zones, good areas, secondary areas where things change and it clears up. We've got this area here. Intraday framework giving us additional opportunities to either add to a position, looking for the target, given that order flow checks out and things are flying around and it's possible, or to initiate outright positions and whatnot. So beautiful day to finish the week here.